those who are single, so how about brothers? So you didn't raise your hands. So if I asked girls, look, what are they doing? That's how they want to glorify that YAHVAH. Okay, everybody, have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Everyone stands up. Stand up, stand up. Tell the one next to you, dance well. We will meet YAHOSHUA, and those who will meet YAHOSHUA, you dance. Do you understand? So in your heart, I will meet YAHOSHUA. It means dance. So if you don't dance, you will not meet him. And you cannot meet him. But if it's really from your heart that you will meet YAHOSHUA, immediately you dance well for YAHOSHUA. Come on, come on. It's about meeting YAHOSHUA. That's it. Play it a tale. Where? And always remember, one day there will be coming. Only you who will go through your way. Only you. Put in your mind, I will go to Yahushua. I will bear everything that will be happening. But if your goal is not to go to Yahushua, run away. Immediately give up. And you will not be suffered. That is a picture for you. You'll be suffered because of you love Yahushua. These devils and their team who will do that. It's better to bear that instead of that YAHVAH will suffer you. But don't care of that suffering. Always think that I will go to Yahushua. So, how is it? How is it? Who will dance with me? The love. Those who will go. Remember the love. Don't say that I am already grandpa, grandma. That love always moves your body. There is no older. So if that's you, kids and teenager, they got the trophy. So you must move. You should know. You should move, not to be like a candle. Play it until. I've said that we are here. They did bad things to you. It's normal that you laugh at them. They made you sin non-stop. Always to speak swear